research on albinism. What? So, what is albinism? Albinism is a genetic disease that causes a person or animal to lack melanin, which is a chemical made by melanocytes, which are cells found at the bottom of the skin. This is the melanocyte and the melanin, so albinos lack this. So melanin gives color to the skin and the iris, therefore albinos usually have lighter skin and eye color. So a little background history of albinism. Many Roman and German scholars described albinism in their earliest scriptures. The first scientific documentation of albinism was by Sir Archibald Garrett in 1908. Due to superstitious beliefs, albinos were persecuted for their abnormal appearance. So this is a general overview and dogma of genetics. Genes are a part of DNA that is inherited. All living organisms have genes. The gene correlates with the production of RNA and protein. Genes are biological information that is copied to the offspring. There are two types of chromosomes, the autosomal and sex. There are 22 autosomal chromosomes and 2 types of sex chromosomes. Albinism is a recessive autosomal genetic disease. This means that the defective gene is found in the autosomal chromosome, and one needs 2 defective genes to have albinism. Ocular albinism, which is an exception, is caused by a mutation in the sex chromosome X. The possible genotypes of the parents are either that they have the albinism trait or the disease, which is basically which shows the possible outcomes. And this is just a picture of what chromosomes look like. Albinism is caused by a change in the nucleotides of genes. There are 2 main types of albinism: oculocutaneous albinism, which contributes to light pigmentation of the skin, hair, and the eyes, and ocular albinism that affects primarily the eyes. 5 different genes that are mutated cause oculocutaneous albinism. The MCR1, it stays all over here. OCA2, SLC45A2, TYR, and TYRP1. These are the 4. There are 4 types of oculocutaneous albinisms. Mutation in TYR gene causes type 1. OCA2 causes type 2, and TYRP1 causes type 3. And SLC45A2 causes type 4. One gene that is mutated causes ocular albinism, which is the GPR123. MC1R, or melanin-cortin-1 receptor polymorphism, causes melanocytes to make more phenolmelanin, which contributes to light skin, rather than eumelanin that contributes to dark skin. This mutation occurs in chromosome 16 on chromosome 16. And here's just a picture of chromosome 16. And this is where the mutation occurs. OCA2, oculocutaneous albinism 2, provide information for making P proteins found in the melanocytes. This gene is important for making pigmentation. Mutation on chromosome 15 is responsible for OCA2. And here's like where it occurs. SLC45A2, or other known as Sol U carrier family 45, member 2, provides information for making melanin. Mutation on chromosome 5 causes the skin to lack melanin. TYR, which is tyrosine kinase, gives information for making an enzyme that is responsible for creating pigments. Mutation on chromosome 11 eliminates tyrosine kinase. And TYRP1 is an enzyme found in the melanin cells. Its exact purpose is unclear. It may stabilize tyrosinase, which is the first step to creating melanin. TYRP1 is found in chromosome 5. GPR143 belongs to the G-coupled protein receptor family. This gene grows the pigment-containing structures. Without the proper functioning of GPR143, the skin cells and retina growths are typically large. But how this largeness affects vision loss and eye problems is unknown. Mutation occurs on the X chromosome. Okay, so here are just the symptoms of albinism. So lack of color in the skin, iris of the eyes, and hair, lighted hair and eyes, the normal coloration. Missing color of the skin, which is patchy. And here are just other symptoms that can occur. Rapid eye movements, sensitivity to, it should be light, not light. Vision problems, and crossed eyes. And so albinism is a rare disease. It occurs in 1 out of 17,000 people in the United States. Albinism is found in all races of humans. Oculocutaneous albinism type 1 and 2 are common. Type 3 and 4, however, are less common. Type 2 occurs more frequently in African Americans and Native Americans. Type 3 occurs in South Africans, and type 4 occurs frequently in Japanese and Korean and other parts of the world. So here are the different races of people who have albinism. So those who have albinism are more susceptible to skin cancer than the average person because albinos do not have melanin. Every day, albinos have to be careful not to be in strong sunlight and wear sunblock. An albino's condition may limit him or her from doing outside activities in the sun. Albinos have sensitive eyes, so they should wear sunglasses to protect their eyes from strong sunlight. Albinism does not affect the lifespan of a person with the condition. There are no cures for albinism currently, but albinos who do not like their appearance can use cosmetics that give coloration. For example, dyeing their hair or wearing color-eyed condoms. And here are my references. Acknowledgements. This is Joan McMahon, Rebecca Nichols, Bronx Community College, Dr. Sad, the Hollywood Children's Society, and all those who contribute to research.